I have excited news for budding fish farmers, those who want to be trained to start their fish farms. In fact, I've been receiving a lot of questions as to when I am organizing training for people who are lovers for fish farming, but they don't know how to do it. In fact, if you are one of these people, then this is the greatest opportunity for you. Why am I saying this? Instead of charging you huge sum of money to get you trained on fish farming, if you take this opportunity, you either pay less or don't pay anything at all to get trained into fish farming. In fact, Access Agriculture, in partnership with Faco Aquaponics, is bringing fish farming and general agriculture training into your doorstep. And for you, as a cherished audience, I know you are lovers of fish. So we are just going to train you on fish farming. But how does this work? It works in groups. For instance, we aim a minimum of 10 people and maximum of 100 people to show them videos and also talk to them about the required topic, in this case, fish farming. And what we do is that we bring it to you at free cost. Probably you can take care of the transport and other petty things, but that will not cost you much as compared to if you are going to buy or pay for the course. Now, if you are one person or an individual, you can get other people who have similar interests so that when you group up to 10 or more, you can give us an invitation and then we will come as our team with a smart projector and then we take you through how to get your fish farm done and then the benefits and other most topics in fish farming step by step. Not only that, we will also enroll you onto our online platforms where you continue to learn. And this situation where you even want us to step in and set up the farm for you, hooray! So in this case, you can use one stone to actually kill several birds. So grab this opportunity. Now one will be wondering, how much are we going to charge? Like I mentioned earlier, is in a way going to be free. However, to transport ourselves and our equipment to your place, we probably will need transportation. So the team or the group that is inviting us, it is up to you to determine how you are going to raise small amount of money for our transport. They will come and take you to step by step. Now, this is not for any individual, even people or groups or non-governmental organizations and even governmental institutions who are aiming to give fish farming or general agriculture education or training to other people. This is opportunity for you as well. You can contact us, then we have partnership, then we extend this great opportunity to wherever you want it to go. Even our honorable MPs who are in rural communities, I mean, who constituencies fall in farming or urban rural communities, you can also contact us. We come, we go and deliver the message to your people with your name, and that you are going to win more votes. I don't want to make this video too lengthy. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have been inspired and you think you want to grab this opportunity, contact us. We have all our contact details in the description of this video. Check them out and then you are good to go. And if you don't want to go that route, probably you want to have your own course, learn everything yourself. We have made online course. We have two courses for now. We have the complete fish farming course from setup to harvest for tilapia and catfish. The link of the course in the description. Enroll on Gumroad, and then you will have full access of the course. If you also want to learn how to do filtration and irrigation system for your own farm, then this is also an opportunity for you to also enroll in our online course, which link is also in the description. Check them out. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, my name is Abdulaziz. It's up all this channel to share free practice based on our experience and research. Subscribe to this channel and let's grow our fish together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.